earn $50 in one day. Just copy and paste ads. Coming up. Hi guys, if you just came across to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Zaidi Mustafa. In this specific channel, I'm going to be sharing with you a lot of tactic and strategy on how to make money online the easiest way possible. And if you are interested to make money, to learn more about how to making money online, consider subscribe by clicking the red button down below, and don't forget to hit the bell notification as well, so that way you're not gonna miss every time I upload my new video. And I truly appreciate if you could drop a like, because it does help my video to reach more people and also does help my channel to grow as well. Alright, without further ado, let's dive right into our content. So the website they're going to help you to make $50 per day online is called Fiverr.com. I know a lot of people already knew about this Fiverr, but for those who doesn't know about this website, Fiverr is actually a freelancing website where you could provide any type of skill and type of service that you could deliver online to Fiverr.com. So I just want to share with you real quick how many visitors that this Fiverr website generate every single month. So according to SimilarWeb.com, Fiverr.com has monthly visits almost 40 million per month, guys. 36.8 million per month. Just consider half of it is actually people who are also selling their service on this website. You still have 15 to 17 million per month, right? Just assume that if you could get only 0.01% of the visitor to order from your offer, you already make ton of money, guys. A lot of money already. So that's why I don't want you to overlook this website. If you haven't get signed up already, I highly recommend you to get signed up with Fiverr. It's pretty straightforward. Just fill the form and then you can get started. Alright, so as you can tell here, there are a lot of different tabs that you could choose from, and then you could provide any type of services that you are interested with. But in this particular video, I only going to share with you how to make money with short video ads. Alright, so just head over to this tab and click on this button over here, short video ads. So you're going to land over to this page. Just scroll over to get some idea what is actually people offer to make money with short video ads. So as you can tell, obviously they are actually provide some sort of video to their clients, whoever interested to have short video ads for their business. Let's take a look at this guy over here. I will create brand video commercial and promotional blah 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 for $15. This one for $20. As you can tell here, this guy already made 421 order. This one 136 order. If you scroll down below, this one is already generated 226 order for $85, guys. It's insane. I will produce a custom video commercial ads, right? So there's a lot of people and making a lot of money with this type of service. So now you might ask me, hey Zaidi, come on, I don't even know how to make this video, because these people, they might know how to make the video, and I'm pretty sure you have that kind of question. Don't worry, because I'm going to reveal to you a website. They're going to help you to make video for free, and you could offer that video, that service for them, for the client who are looking for that service on Fiverr, without any technical skill or without any experience prior, right? So before we dive into that website, I truly appreciate if you could drop me some like button, because like I told you, it does help my video to reach more people, okay? So the website that I'll talk about is called flixexpress.com. Just head over to flixexpress.com. You're going to land over to this page, right? So create videos online in minutes. Make high quality video for your business, YouTube, special occasion or fun, right? So it's literally free. Get started for free. As you can tell over here, just click on this button over here to get started. Obviously you're gonna need an account to start making video with this website, so just fill in all this form, very straightforward, and don't forget to check both button over here and get registered, right? So I already registered with this website. So what you have to do next is automated templates. Click on the automatic template tabs. You're going to land over to this page. So as you can tell over here, there are a lot of different templates that you could actually use for free, guys. This template is really professional. You could offer to your clients, and regardless of what type of their business, you could actually find their templates over here. So what I want you to do next is go to free plan templates. All right, so this is all the free plan templates. As you can tell, there is a like It's very cool. So this is specifically for gaming, perhaps, right? Gaming online. And there are a lot of YouTubers out there who are looking for their outro and intro. You could actually also provide this type of service to them, right? So instead of a short video ads, you are also able to provide a YouTuber for their intro and outro. Maybe you can package it together and then you can sell it for 30, 50, or even $75 for both template, right? So let's take a look over here because it's really grabbed my attention. So that template is really cool, guys. Alright, so what you have to do is just choose whatever template that you think it's look professional and it can associate with your client order, and then just head over to this free templates tab, and then you could choose from the most suitable for your clients. Alright, so that is how you are actually going to make money with short video ads. And now I'm going to share with you how you're going to use this template. Alright, so let's see. Over here, I'm going to click this template. Before that, I have to log in first, and then I'm going to log in with Google. It's easier and faster, right? So I'm going to choose this template to show you some example. All right, just simply click on the template that you interested with, and then I'm going to click customize now, and then upload image. Then I'm going to choose this image over here, and then I'm gonna need to upload another image over here. It's very straightforward, and I could actually done these things within a minute, I think, right? So make money, and then I'm going to click next. And then next, I'm going to type something over here. Let's say make money online, and then flickexpress.com, right? So make money online is going to appear over here, and flickexpress.com is going to appear over here. And then I'm going to create a preview. Your video is on its way. View my previews. While we wait for this video to preview, so if you are interested to make money only by selling Gmail account, I do have that specific video that teach you how to make $5 only by selling Gmail account. I'm gonna link up the card on the top right corner over my video. You can just click and it's going to lead you to that video, right? And then I'm going to click to preview. Okay, now I'm going to play. First off, I'm going to turn it down a bit, and then I'm going to play. Take a look, guys. Make money online and flickexpress.com. This is both of my my picture that I uploaded earlier. So bam, it's really simple, guys, and the quality of this video is really professional. Can you imagine if you want to do by your own? It's going to take, I don't know, for me it's going to take me a years, right? So I highly encourage you, if you really interested to make money with short video ads, just head over, get signed up with Flick Express, and also get signed up with Fiverr.com, and then you can start to make money. Alright guys, before I end off this video, I have another cool way on how to make money, online the easiest way, right? Because I really appreciate you to spending your time with me watching my video, and then I want to deliver more value. I want to over deliver to you, right? So instead of Fiverr, you are also able to serve your service to Upwork.com or peopleperhour.com. And what interesting about both these websites is actually you could sell it slightly higher than Fiverr.com, right? So it's really hard for you to get people selling their service like $15 or $5 like this, $5 to $10 on Upwork and People Per Hour, because this both of these websites, their price is slightly different. It's kind of a bit professional than Fiverr.com. And what I want you to do here is you could actually leverage Fiverr.com platform and selling that exact ads that people are selling over here to both of these websites, and you could literally make money from it, right? For example, you buy an ads, a video ads like this one over here for $5, and then you're going to sell slightly higher, like 10 to 15 or all the way up to $50, depends on you, right? Because it's literally depends on you how much money that you want to earn. So that way you are literally don't have to make any work, because all these sellers over here who are going to help you to do the video ads. That is how you are going to make even more money with this platform, right? So I hope you got tremendous value from this video, and don't forget to give me thumbs ups if you got value, and don't forget also to subscribe to my channel and smash the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload my new video. Alright guys, I think that's all for this video, and don't forget, if you are interested to make money only by selling Gmail account for free, you could actually just click the card that I link over here and click this picture over here. Right? So see you on my next video. Bye bye.